Ebigambo by'abahangu omushongeji biriyo mbahandiko ebyashohozibwe Ministry y'ebyamagara omwaka ogwire. Eric Oteba, Project Manager wa Food Systems omukitongore kitari kya government ekya KRC Uganda, najangwa abana banaha abana 10 abari hansi y'emyaka 5 bashinyire omucyanga kya Toro.
Our children under 5, out of 10 children under 5, 4 are stunted. And you know, stunting is a form of chronic malnutrition that affects the brain at the end of the day. So you can just imagine, after 2 years of children, stunting is not reversible. So we have adults that are going to be stunted.
Kurujira abahangu okushinya tukurumbana bato bonka beitu n'abakuru nabo bashinyire.
As assessments, and we realize that more than half of the people that we assess, especially in urban areas in the Rwenzori, are either hypertensive or diabetic, yes? So you can imagine the problem we are dealing with. It's no longer undernutrition, but it's also overnutrition, yes? It is stunting, it is acute malnutrition, it is obesity, it is diabetes. So we have more of a triple burden. It's no longer, just undernutrition.
Ito toro ne myaka ende nyakurabire henyuma ito lintururanki hano bakubona babazaho ngo abana bagurumire ntuliroranki hano tukuronke kizibu kyamani ndusana abanyakutirwa kihe eyenjara karaburi abana bayisanaga bati nabantu bayisanaga bati ubakabahagwire njara bati yenjara teguye ni baturankinga nkabantu abanyakwine byo kuriya bingi mu region yetu eno ya Toro hatukujya kura ngo kandi abana nibo bagurumire barikira ikimo mu ihanga ryona guruma
Mbaro gw'abashinyire gurya bucweka 38 no butonyezo mushanjwa harigana omucyanga ekya Toro. Enshongeji negicerwa barukuhinga bakasharura konka byona bakabuguzo kutunga kasente batasigireho ka ebyo kurya.
Ito Toro eri hano kandi tukusemerera kuseka aboje bakondogoyize bati amagufa gabasimbire obusike mugongo gusano ogurusenene nibona mbubatani bukondogoza yenda kagihimbire muno mukano akasayija urugongo runa rukezingi kandi nibo bakama bibyo kuriya nikimesa ngo haro kizibu abantu kibatari kwetegereza barorerire sento bari kuzitunga mazitwara mu maru kintu sobore kibabya mazitwara nka mukunywa maru tubakutwara mukurakura n'ibintu bibindi.
Ahabwe nshongeji aba joint efforts to save the environment batandikira omworeko gwebyo kurya byenzarwa ebyabantu binekoresa kurwana sebizubu eburukuretwa kurya kubi.
This fair, this event is an opportunity for you to come and learn from other farmers who are already having these seeds, but most importantly it is an opportunity for you to come and buy some of those seeds that are being showcased.
Ebhandiko kurwo mu kitongore cya KRC Uganda nibyoreka ngo district ezirukukizayo kugira abana bashinyire kurwo mu cyanga cya Toro ne kamwenge kwebembera n'abana 10 Fort Poto mwanya gwa kabiri n'abana rushanjwa na mushanju cyenjo jo mwanya gwa kashatu n'abana rukaga 34 Bunyangabu omwanya gwa kana n'abana 32 Ntoroko omwanya gwa 5 n'abana 31 Kitagwenda n'abana 20 kandi Kabarore n'abana 13 Gashakwa Jonan Singwire.